Greetings, beautiful people, travelers, wonders alike. We're here in Viva Las Vegas. This is going to be a narrated room tour of the King room here in the downtown Grand Hotel. This room is located in the Gallery Tower, which is one of the newest towers. And this is going to be a tour of room 3270. So without further ado, let's get the show on the road. So all the doors are identified in bold numbers here. It's going to be on the second floor, room 3270. All right. This is your view as you enter the room. Then to your immediate left here, you have your facilities. All right, as you can already see, you have a pretty large vanity mirror here with an additional side vanity with a switch so you can toggle on the lights with the outlet on the back, which you can just power up the outlet on the back side right here. Got you some complimentary items, tissue, face towels, TP, and additional towels at the bottom with the hair dryer. Self-explanatory. Got a pretty large shower here. More complimentary items by H2O Therapy. An adjustable shower head. I haven't tested any water pressures or anything of that nature, but it's a pretty nice size walk-in shower. Then right here at the door as well, you have a full-size mirror. And you have a nice little seating area here. Put on your shoes, get dressed, whatever the case may be. And then right in front of that, you have a wardrobe. Inside of that wardrobe, got a few hangers, a full ironing board, just a little duvet, and a safe. All right, here's your living space here, sleeping space, living space. Right next to the seating area, you have a mini fridge, and it is all of that, every bit of mini, as you can see. Get you a few things up in there. Got your remote, TV, which we'll get into the functionalities here in a bit. Got some complimentary coffee. The coffee maker there. Guess I'll show you some of the drawers, or at least just one of them. They're all identical. Pretty spacious on the inside, fairly deep dressers. All right, got a nice little seating area here with the Las Vegas info magazine. So if you want to catch some attractions, things of that nature. And this one is for April, so I'm assuming that they come out with this monthly. So if you haven't planned your trip out, or if you're on a staycation and haven't planned anything out, you can kind of see what's going on based on the timestamps and the dates itself. So it's good to know. Got a nice little lounging area over there. The side tables, both identical on both sides. Little drawer there. It's a little storage space at the bottom. There are a fair amount of outlets, power outlets, so throughout the space. Got two there and another additional two with the USB connections right there. The only difference between these two tables is one has a lamp and the other one does not. I don't know if that's intentionally by design, but it just is what it is. Got another little storage area over here. Got some complimentary water, ice bucket, a little area down below there. Now I'm assuming that there is no light on this stand here because you have this large mirror. This large window right here. I don't know if the camera's gonna super adjust, but it's pretty bright. There is no particular view, but it's a bright day outside right now. It's Sunday, April the 19th. It's about 3:30 in the afternoon, but it's a pretty bright day, and you can kind of feel the heat coming through the window. Speaking of heat, you have your AC unit right here, which is controlled by the wall unit over there. It can be a little loud, but it does work. It works really well actually. So you do have that, as well as the TV functions that I'll get to here shortly. Additionally, with here, they will validate your parking inside the parking garage. Once you check in, they'll give you some more information, some pamphlets, and a couple key cards. All right, so we'll get into these TV functionalities real quick. So once you turn the TV on, you get your downtown Grand, and then you have these options here off to the left as far as the TV guide options, different applications, and hotel information as well. Get your room number, time, date, all that good stuff. All right, so this is currently on the live TV. I got the TV muted, but as far as applications, you do have Netflix, YouTube, and a slew of other applications signing to your stuff. Hotel information, you got dining, casino, internet information. Guess I'll show you a few. So as far as the dining, has these options here. Then we go to casino, gives you some more information here. Internet or phone could be a little self-explanatory, but local activities, if they aren't located in that magazine already, it does have a list of things here nearby that you can check out. Transportation, it's going to tell you about parking, the taxis, phone numbers to get to the car rental for Enterprise, and the airport as well. So that's about it. This is the first time I've checked into this Grand Hotel. They've done quite a bit of updating and renovating. They do have two towers. They have the Grand Tower as well as the Gallery Tower. They've done quite a bit of changing when it comes to like their casino floor area. They have the pool area as well. Yeah, so if you're in the area, if you don't want to be on the strip, you're more leaning towards like downtown Vegas, that Fremont area, this could be a good option for you. So if you stayed here, let me know. If you stayed in the Grand before they done the upgrades and after, how do you feel about the changes that they recently made? And shoot me a comment below. But until next time, one love, peace.